Hello, my name is Jana Liuva. I'm from Sofia, Bulgaria, and this is my final project for CS 50 2018 called GDPR Automated. So let's see what it does. First of all, we register, and let's say that my username is Sia from my name, and then we type our password, which of course should not be too short, and after that we're going to be given a test. The test has yes and no questions and respectively answers. All of them are actually based on a book on European data protection, so they are legit. You can see the book cited at the footnotes of the page. And when you answer everything, let's just think of some random answers, you submit it, and you're going to be given your results. So you're either a data controller or a data processor. If you're a controller, you actually have more power. You determine the purposes for the processing, and that's why you need to do your own privacy statement. And this is where we come in help again. So we can take a next test only if you're a data controller, where you actually give a bit more details about your current situation. So let's say your legal base for processing are these three, then you answer yes and no again to all of the additional questions, which are, of course, important. And in the end, when you answer, you submit again. And what I think is very useful is that you're going to get a privacy statement that is tailored according to the answers you've given. So all of these things that are here, you need to include in your privacy statement when you do it. So I'm actually doing something similar in my job because I'm a legal intern and a law student, and I think automating it would be very useful because we're doing this by paper, and if you put the time and energy into thinking actually about the algorithm, about the test, then I think this actually has some practical implications, and I hope it does. That's for me. Bye bye.